Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.